Hello, everyone, and welcome to our little brief recap of what the September promotions are for the Zen with Oils community. And so Meredith and I are going to dive in today with all of these promotions. If you didn't get your email from doTERRA, be sure to go to doTERRA.com to see all of them. Also, refer to our Facebook community. In the next week, lots of information will be shared with you as well. So let's dive in first with new products are coming. Convention is 2 weeks away, and the focus this year is a lot on digestive support, which is vital to overall health, wellness. The more we know about the gut-brain connection, the more we know the importance of the gut. So I love that the new products are going to be about gut support. So that is available for the convention kits that are available with all the new products are only available for attendees at convention. So whether you are attending in person, which there's several of us going, but then you can also attend online and purchase a convention kit. The online ticket price is $50. In the notes, I will put the link to purchase the online ticket. So if you are thinking last minute, hey, I might want that convention kit, or hey, I want to hear directly from the physicians, the scientists, the researchers, all of the info behind the products and why they are so powerful, and just get a taste of doTERRA culture and just the authenticity as well as transparency of this company. So I highly recommend getting a ticket if you don't have a virtual one yet. And then you can get the convention kit, which is discounted 50 to 100 bucks typically if you were to buy all those prices, all those items individually. And there's always a bonus oil that you get as part of the kit that we never know of in advance, and it's not available for purchase to everyone. So on that note, Amanda was with us last week or last month. Meredith is going to talk to us about the free product of the month, Hinoki.
Yes, so this little guy is awesome. Hinoki, it is with 125 PV LRP order before the 15th of the month. Remember that. Hinoki is free. So a couple of things about it. It's actually a woodsy oil, and it's based out of Japan. So it's one of the fun ones that we don't always get very often. So take advantage of this for sure. Some of the top properties are anti-inflammatory, antifungal, and it's a really grounding oil. So it's really good if you're kind of using it for meditative things. It's great for your skin. It's great for any type of anxious feelings. I actually use this one in one of my own personal blends that has some lavender in it and a couple of other one of the grounding blends. So yeah, it's a really great oil. I definitely recommend getting that one and grabbing that as long as it's available.
Awesome. Absolutely. And you can't purchase it otherwise. So I think that's another piece that's like, I want to reiterate, you can't buy it. It's free only when you get your 125 PV LRP. Next up, pink pepper. So this one is 10% off this month. So that's 10% off the wholesale price. With the wholesale account, you're already getting 25%. You're getting 35% when you buy pink pepper this month. It is amazing for breast tissue support, lymphatic drainage and support to your lymphatic system entirely. It is beautifully blended with citrus bloom. This is a really nice perfume or diffuser combination. So citrus bloom and, oh, I have it backwards, and pink pepper. And so those are the top uses. You can take this also internally. So pink pepper can be added to your favorite, dishes to spice them up with a pepper flavor. It's not as intense as the black pepper essential oil. It's a little softer and sweeter. So highly recommend grabbing these grabbing this pink pepper while it's on sale this month for 10% off. As a woman, it's so important to do some breast detoxing multiple times a year. And in our Facebook community, I actually have recipes. So if you search like pink pepper breast, you will be able to identify some amazing recipes for pink pepper support for your lymphatic system and breast tissues as well. And then also Harvest Spice is back. It returned last month, but this is a fall blend that's great for stimulating. It's great for immune support. It's great for warming and circulation for the cooler and winter, cooler fall months and winter months ahead. So Harvest Spice, I actually have it in one of the plug-in diffusers that were released a little while ago. And it is a lovely aroma as it is triggered throughout the day in our home. I like it because it's not as, there's a sweeter aroma to it than On Guard. So it's a little bit different than On Guard, but it's perfect for fall aromas in your home. And then last but not least, the summer ready kit is still available. Mary's going to wrap up with that.
Yep. So come and get it while it's hot. It's the last bits. It's got the sun's face and body mineral stick, which is amazing. I especially love it because it just doesn't get all over my eyes and it's not all icky. Terra Shield Spray, Correct X, Lavender Touch, the On Guard hand sanitizing mist, peppermint beadlets, and some deep blue rub samples. So it's a really great quick grab and go. Throw it in your pool bag, throw it in your picnic bag. We use those pretty regularly, especially if you've got kids. So it's just a really great tool to have while you're running around and busy, especially as we get into fall with football and all the sports and all the things going on.
Absolutely. And I also recommend it for anyone that's an avid outdoors person. So here in Colorado, we have a lot of hikers, adventurers being out and about. You will use all of those products skiing. You will use all of those products hiking this fall and going on adventures. So highly recommend grabbing it while it's available, because even though it's advertised this summer, it truly is a year-round package that I would recommend for anyone any time of the year. So thanks for being here. We'll be back next month to record October promotions. And we also have a special event coming up on Saturday, September the 16th at 7:30. We are going to do a Zoom just like this with all the new products that will be announced 2 days prior to that. So you are welcome to join live, join and watch the recording and really get a firsthand glimpse at the products that will be released for everyone else October, November, and sometimes they come out the following spring. So if you want them, I'm going to recap that one more time. If you want them sooner than their release dates, which usually range from the next month to 3 to 6 months later, you have to have a convention ticket. And then you can purchase the convention kit and get all the new products that are coming out. So thank you guys. We'll see you next time.